Yeah, so Grace Hilliard did a really interesting study looking at just that question of whether or not physicians and staff have similar or different attitudes about clinical trials as compared to patients. And she looked at patients who were currently being treated for cancer and were not enrolled in a clinical trial. And essentially what she found was there was tremendous discordance in what the docs and the staff thought were important in terms of what influenced patients joining a clinical trial as compared to what patients thought. And the bottom line was that it really highlights what we need to do to be able to talk with patients to get them enrolled in clinical trials. So there were a few things that were critical about this. First of all, very few trials are actually available to patients who need them. So we need to get trials into institutions that are relevant for the patient populations that they serve. And then once that happens, we need to make sure that docs know about what trials are available and which patients are eligible, and make it easy to identify eligible patients, and then use the work that Dr. Hilliard found and expand it to really be able to tailor the kinds of communication that are needed, both to get docs on board in recommending trials, but also to explain what the pieces are of a trial and why it's so important and what patients can get out of it and can give to the rest of the population in terms of their ultimate treatment, because clinical trials are the way we figure out what works and what patients should get.